In this video, I'm going to show you how to use path array in AutoCAD in a simple step-by-step way. If you've ever wanted to copy an object along a line, arc, or polyline without manually placing each one, this is one of the fastest tools you can use. It's perfect for creating repeated shapes, evenly spaced components, patterns, and cleaner drawings in less time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Once your file is open, make sure you have the object ready that you want to repeat. This can be any shape, symbol, block, or component that you want to copy along a path. Next, draw the path that the object will follow. Your path can be a line, an arc, or a polyline. The shape of this path will determine how your array appears, so take a moment to make sure it is drawn correctly and goes exactly where you want the copies to appear. After that, select the object you want to copy. Once the object is selected, go to the command line and type ARRAYPATH, then press enter. This will activate the Path Array tool in AutoCAD and prepare the object to be distributed along your chosen path. Now AutoCAD will ask you to select the path. Click on the line, arc, or polyline that you drew earlier. As soon as you choose the path, AutoCAD will generate a preview of the array based on the current settings. Move your cursor to preview the array placement. You'll be able to see how the copies follow the path before finalizing anything. This is really useful because it lets you check the look and spacing before committing the change. If the preview doesn't look right, don't worry, because you can still adjust the settings. Now set the options you need. The first important option is item count, which controls how many copies appear along the path. If you want more repeated objects, increase the count. If you want fewer, lower it. The next option is spacing, which controls the distance between each item. This helps you get a tighter pattern or a more open layout, depending on your design. Another important option is align to path. If you choose yes, the copied objects will rotate and align themselves with the direction of the path. This is great for curved layouts and designs that need to follow the shape naturally. If you choose no, the objects will keep their original orientation and stay fixed instead of turning with the path. Choose the one that fits your drawing best. Once everything looks correct, press enter to finish the command. AutoCAD will apply the path array and place your objects exactly along the selected path. At this point, you can zoom in and inspect the result to make sure the count, spacing, and alignment all look the way you wanted. And that's how you use Path Array in AutoCAD. It's a very powerful tool once you get used to it, and it can save you a lot of time when working on repetitive designs. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.